Have you ever been shooting and wondered, where do I place my subject? Was the right or left, up or down? Well, the rule of space can guide you in this situation.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we are going to discuss an important rule of composition, the rule of space. So to begin with, what is the rule of space? The rule of space in photography is simply the act of adding visual space in front of the direction that an object is moving, looking or pointing to, imply motion and direction, and to lead the eye of the viewer. Pretty simple, right? Look at the image and think about where you look first. You look at the bird. Where do you look second? Most likely you looked in the direction that the bird was looking to see what it was looking at. And because nothing is there, your eye gravitated back to the bird. But just imagine if I framed this image like this. This part of the image looks dull and dead, and it is not catchy at all. This is how the human brain works. Knowing this can give the photographer immense power on how to compose an image, and where to place the subject in an image to add interest. And now I'm going to come to my 7 tips on how to apply the rule of space. A photo attempting to use space to provide a narrative cannot do so with a stationary main subject. The subject needs to allow the viewer, the photo, to follow their gaze or their motion. It is not compulsory to see any faces either. The person can have their back to the camera, gazing into the space. Shooting wide will give your scene an epic sense of scale, and it is easy to produce negative space. It also gives you room for mistakes, as you can recompose your shot in post-production and give more attention to the subject and its gaze. By giving more space in front of a moving object, we create a sense of direction and motion. Like here, the vehicle is moving to the left, hence composing it to the right makes sense. But if I were to place it like this, it leads the viewer's eye out of the picture. According to me, the rule of thirds complements the rule of space like no other composition rule. Divide your frame in a 3x3 grid and place your subject along the lines or at the intersecting points of these lines. Just make sure you give more space to the area where the subject is looking and not vice versa. Leading lines are lines that direct the flow of the viewer's eye in the image. You will want your main subject to be looking or moving along your leading line. Lines that run through a photo, such as this fence, can add strength to an image. Negative space does not mean you have to add an empty sky in your picture. It is better to add some level of interest to the negative space with a pattern like clouds, brick wall, clump of trees, etc. Like every composition rule, following a rule will create balance and harmony in your image, and breaking the rule will create tension and discord. This is why sometimes breaking the rule is essential for creating a strong image. As you start composing your images as per the rule of space, you will become more proficient at it, be a better photographer with more visually appealing images. And if you like this video guys and found it to be useful, give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below about which photography tutorials you want to watch next on my channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous composition tutorial and here is a playlist that plays all my composition tutorials. Please go check these videos out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.